What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. It's been some time since Samsung rolled out an update for its calendar application with some new features. Finally it's here. We have got an all new update for Samsung Calendar which adds few new changes and features. As you can see, the version number is 12.3.05.10000. In the changelog, it talks about a few new features which are being added. Let's dive in and see what has really changed here. Let's go ahead and open Calendar application. Let me create an event here. Now here on the top, you see this is the title of this particular event. Now with this all new update, Samsung adds location recognition feature. Let me show you how it works. Let me just type a location here. I'll type Brigade Road. As you can see, we get this pop-up which shows the location which I just typed. It automatically recognizes the location and it shows up right here in this pop-up. I will just select this now. As you can see here in the details of this event, the location is being added here. That is just fantastic. This is a great feature addition on Samsung Calendar app with this new update. When you tap on this location, we get to see this map option right here. We can tap on the map and add the precise location you want and save it. Now, whenever we see this reminder notification on the phone, we also get a direction button here. We can just tap on that to open the maps and see the directions to the location. Now let's move to the next one. It says feature that turns on or off time recognition in Quick Add, which means now if you don't want this recognized time to be displayed on the title of the event, you can turn that off. Let me show you where exactly this setting is. On the Calendar app, tap on this hamburger menu. On the top right, we have got this calendar settings icon here. Just tap on this, scroll down. Here under more setting, we have got an all new toggle here which says remove times from event titles. Automatically remove times from event added through the Quick Add menu. Let me turn this on and show you how exactly this works. Let's go back to Calendar. I'll tap on this Quick Add option. I will type 8 a.m. As you can see, the time is being recognized, and let me type jogging. Now I'll save this reminder. Now let me open this reminder again. As you can see on the title of this reminder, the time is not being added. If you turn off the feature, you will see the time also on this title of the event. That is the second change we have. The third one is provide the option to remove recognized time in Quick Add. Let me show you how this works. Again, let's type on this Quick Add option. I will add 8:30 a.m. Now, if I want this recognized time to be removed, I can just tap on this time. As you can see, the time recognition has been turned off here. Now, when we go ahead and add the title, only the title talks about the time. The time is not being set here. This is another option we have got. We will be able to remove the recognized time in Quick Add option. Now, the last one is possible to check group calendar invitations on the calendar management screen. If you have group calendar invitations, we will be able to see here right here on the screen. That is the last change we have with this all new update. You guys let me know, what do you think about this all new update we have received on the Calendar application? Drop a comment, and if you're new on the channel, be sure to subscribe to watch some useful contents like this and smash that like button if you find this video useful. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.